So in this tutorial we want to work with plush yarn and 4mm hook. It's not easy to make magic ring with plush yarn, so we want to crochet this star without a magic ring. First of all, we need to make one slip knot. Insert our hook and pull the long tail. Now we need to chain 2, 1 and 2. Now in the first chain that we made, I want to make 6 single crochets. So inside of the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, make 2 loops, and pull through 2. 1 single crochet, again in the same place, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4, 5, and 6. Now we want to count them, so each V shape is 1 single crochet, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now for the round 2, I want to crochet 2 single crochets inside of each stitch. So this is the first stitch. I inserted my hook under the V shape, so yarn over and pull through. 1 single crochet, I want to mark it as the first single crochet of round 2. Now another single crochet inside of the same stitch. 2 single crochets. Now again, this is the V shape. I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape right there and make 2 single crochets. We call that increasing when you make 2 stitches inside of 1 stitch. Now again, 1 and 2. We are going to increase 6 times. This is the 3rd time. 1 and 2. Again, 1 and 2 inside the same stitch. And in the last one, 1 and 2. Now I have 12 stitches, 12 single crochets. Now I want to start the round 3, so I'm going to take out my stitch marker. First, 1 single crochet and mark it. Now in the next one, which is on the left, I'm going to make 1 increase, so 1 and 2. I'm going to do this 6 times, so 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Second time, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Third time, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. We need to do this 2 more times. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet and 1 increase. So this is the end of the round 3. Now you must have 18 single crochets. If your circle is not flat, you need to pull the sides. It's completely normal if it's not flat until it gets flat like this. Now I want to start round 4. So 1 single crochet and mark it. 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. So I'm gonna repeat this 6 times. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. So finish this round, and then you will have 24 single crochets. So this is the end of the round 4. Mine is not flat again, so I need to pull it until it gets flat. Now I want to 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Now I want to start the round 5. So to crochet the round 5, first you need 1 single crochet and mark it. Then chain 1, make 1 half double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, chain 1. Now I want to make 1 double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and in the next one 1 single crochet. So this was the first part. We need to do this 5 times. So again, let me show you. 1 single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, 1 half double crochet, pull through 3 loops, chain 1, yarn over, 1 double crochet, pull through 2 and pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, 1 half double crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern that you see down there 5 times, and then you're gonna reach here and the first part is gonna be ready. So this is the end of the round 5. I want to take out the stitch marker and make 1 slip knot like this. Now you can cut the yarn. Let's hide the tail like that. So the first part is ready. Now you need to crochet the second part exactly like the first part, but don't make 1 slip stitch and don't cut the yarn. This is the end of the round 5 of the second part. You see, I didn't cut the yarn. Now we want to connect these 2 parts together, so I'm going to put this right here, right there. We need the working yarn, and now I want to start making single crochets in both layers. So like this, 1 single crochet in the next part, you just need to find the stitches right there and make single crochets. It seems a little bit difficult, but it gets easier when you keep going and do this over and over again. Then you can find the stitches easier. So just like that. So before connecting the last part, you need some fiber to feel the body of the star. So after connecting the last part, you need 1 slip stitch right there and cut the yarn. Now we want to hide the tail. If you want to sew the face, you need a dark gray yarn for the eyes. They need to be between the round 3 and round 4. As you see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And a little bit top of the middle of the star. And for the cheeks, you can use PLUSHIE yarn. They should be right under the eye, as you see. And you can sew them with this type of needle. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for any future tutorial, and like this video if you like this video.